This is NBHM PhD 2020 solution, and today we are going to solve question number 16. What is the expected number of tosses of a fair coin required to get both heads and tails each at least once? Both head and tail it at least once. So expected number of coin flips to get head and tail. So remember that here we need to do it in this way. The main points will be that if we see a tail on the first flip 1 gives you a tail, then the next expectation is head. But if the second toss again we get a tail, then it increases the conditional expectation time by that many tosses. So with respect to toss, probability of head and tail also fluctuate. So let the expected number of coin tosses equal to x. So now the first toss, it will be either head or tail in the very first toss, which fits to the problem, so that the total number of tosses 1 into half equal to half. So probability of head or tail equal to half in the first toss. Assume that in the first toss it is head. Okay, let's the first gives you head. Then if we get the head and the second toss, it means that we have wasted and toss will have to be x more tosses to reach our goal. Now the total number of flips or tosses, whatever you say, required will be obviously x plus 1. So the probability of this thing will be equal to half. So in the last case that we get a tail in the second, so then the probability of the event will be half into half. So that is 1 by 4 of the second toss. So obviously x is here 1 into half plus half into x plus 1 plus 1 by 4 into 2. So this is x plus 3 by 2. This is equal to, so now x is this, so 2x equal to x plus 3, so x equal to 3. So what is the expected number of tosses of a fair coin is 3.